This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 3500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.6-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Features include a DVD player, air conditioning, cruise control, fog lamps, an unattended headlight warning chime, steering wheel mounted controls, a rear parking aid, a keyless entry system, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Beck & Maston GMC Buick North is located at 11300 FM 1960 West in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.